2 stakeholders meetings with everybody connected with the tourism sector, including transporters, including hoteliers, homestay owners, drivers associations, guides. All of these have been involved in 2 rounds of discussions. What emerged from that discussion was that a number of issues were flagged, but it's very important. One, it's very important that the various associations come under a single platform. Now, already, even those who do not belong to any of these associations, their number is roughly 60%. 60% of these drivers do not belong to any association. The rest, 40%, are splintered into several groups. Now, how do you talk to such a large number of groups